Greetings, starry-eyed photographers. Welcome back to. Today we're diving into the cosmos with a guide for all you aspiring astrophotographers out there. Whether you're capturing the moon, stars, or distant galaxies, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk gear. Choosing the right equipment can make or break your astrophotography experience. Invest in a sturdy tripod to keep your camera steady. For capturing those distant wonders, a DSLR or mirrorless camera with manual settings is crucial. Consider adding a wide-angle lens to your arsenal for capturing expansive night skies. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive equipment, it's about understanding how to make the most of what you have. Now let's move on to camera settings. Mastering your camera settings is the key to capturing stunning nightscapes. Start with a wide aperture, low f-number, to let in more light. Adjust your ISO setting, higher ISO for darker skies, lower ISO for brighter ones. And don't forget about your shutter speed. It's all about finding the right balance to avoid star trails or underexposure. Experimentation is key here. Don't be afraid to play around with your settings and learn from each shot. Now let's move on to the often overlooked but equally crucial step: post-processing. Once you've captured your stellar shots, it's time to enhance them through post-processing. Software like Adobe Lightroom or specialized astrophotography tools can be game changers. Adjust your exposure, contrast, and color balance to bring out the beauty of the night sky. Remember, less is often more when it comes to editing. Subtle tweaks can make a significant difference. And don't forget to back up your original files before diving into edits. It's the astrophotographer's golden rule. That wraps up our beginner's guide to astrophotography. I hope you're feeling inspired to head outside and capture the cosmos. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow night sky enthusiasts, and subscribe for more astronomical adventures. Until next time, happy shooting. Thank you for joining us on. May your skies be clear, your shots be focused, and your passion for astrophotography ever expanding. See you in the next video.